Hi, I'm Nora from Neon Bean Studio. In today's video, you will learn how to trace a photo, and same time when you bring in the photo, you can make color palette out of it. It's super easy and super fun, so let's get started. First we go to settings, and from settings we go to app settings. Then we choose general here, and there's auto create color palette right here. And we have to turn it on because it was on, and it's on. We have to turn it on because then when we transfer the photo into Adobe Fresco interface, it will create automatically color palette with it. So this is done now. We just close it with the cross, and let's bring our photo in now. So from the photo sign here, and we choose photos. Then we choose the photo we want to trace. So I choose this one here, and let's move this touch shortcut a bit on the side. And when we double tap it, this blue circle will arrive, and then we can scale from the center just nicely. I just pinch it right a bit outside like that. Okay, that will do. So double tap here and we hit done. Okay, so here now we saw that color palette is attached, and let's go to colors here, and we can just see here that this image was creating this nice color palette here. So we can go ahead and choose these colors immediately by tapping them. And if you want to delete this palette, then from these three dots here, you can also delete the palette if you want to. Okay, so next thing we do is create new layer from the plus sign here, and this layer will be the layer where we trace the photo on. But first we go down to this layer, which is our photo layer, and when we are on this photo layer, we go to layer properties here, right here, and we make layer opacity a bit lower, just about that it doesn't disturb you while tracing, and that will do for me. It's around 39. And we close right this one. Then we go to our new layer on top, and before we start tracing, we have to choose our pencil as well. So from these pixel pencils right here, I had already chosen the pencil brush, which is my go-to brush for tracing or sketching overall. It's a really nice brush, but I will show you where it is. So by the way, all the brushes now are free with Adobe Fresco. They're not anymore paid. Even the extra brushes which are down here, there's so many of them, so can go very, very creative with different brushes. But let's just stick to basics now while we're on it. So sketching brush here, and right down here is pencil. So I just already chose this one, and we can just tap out, and I choose this color black here for the sketching, and let's just start to trace it. First, when we want a bit like a nice curve, we can just hold it, and it will make nice round curve now. But with 2 fingers I undo it because it didn't come as I want. So I just brush like that, like quite loose one. And let's not waste time with this tracing. I just quickly trace, and we come back to finishing the sketch. So a quick note, if you want to delete with the same brush you sketch with, then just double tap on the touch shortcut, and it will use the same pencil as as you use for drawing. So now we're done with the sketch, and it's just a rough one for you to get the idea of it. So let me go to my picture layer, and I will hide it from the eye here. And you can see here that your sketch is right here. Let's go to the sketch layer. Before that, I want to just show that if you want to change your brush size, it's right over here. So just a quick note. And if you want to change your sketch size, so from here, this is this transform button, and from here you can change it right here. Again, we can put scale from the center on, and we can use guides to make it red in the center, just like that. Oops, no, like that, and hit done. So this is how you trace a photo in Adobe Fresco on iPad. This video was about how to learn to trace a photo on Adobe Fresco app on iPad and making same time color palette out of it. Also, it's part of my Adobe Basic video series, which I encourage you to check out for more exciting things to learn about Adobe Fresco. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions related to this video or other feedback you want to give me. Until then, bye for now.